Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity and Aiden and Taylor in the back. Today we are going to go ahead and go to the hardware store, pick up some tools, and then we're going to go ahead and start laying the concrete for the 2-post lift at the shop. So today's going to be more of a vlog, but it'll be fun. Right guys?
Right. Yeah.
Yes, see, they're so excited about going to the shop today. Anyways, it's a little bit cool outside, so we're just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of a drive, hardware store, and then to the shop. Here we are at Lowe's.
Yay!
We're gonna go buy some rebar. All right, here we are at Lowe's. We're gonna go ahead and buy some rebar, a smoothing-y, spatula thing, and then what else, Taylor? Is there anything else we need here?
I think we need drinks.
Drinks. And whatever else we think we need. So let's go inside. Okay, so we made it. We got the rebar, we got the trestle, whatever thing for flattening the concrete out. And now we're gonna go ahead, head to the shop and start the real construction. Right, we're here at the shop. As you can see, everyone has started working already. And we're marking off everything so that we can figure out where it belongs. Brought earmuffs too, and the only thing that's in the ring. Okay, so we've drawn the lines, we've got all the stuff we need. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut a hole in the ground where the concrete goes. Right, guys?
Right.
Look, they're so interested that they're playing video games on their phone. Anyways, we're gonna get this done, Buzzy and I. So Buzzy finished helping us cut the hole in the ground, which there's one of the holes in the ground, and we've got a lot of the rocks put into here. And then the boys have been helping me clear out all the rocks on here. The problem is that there's my compressor, and then there's a wheel right here on the wheelbarrow, and the tire's flat, and I can't really move the rocks to where they need to go. So we're just gonna keep cleaning up and see what else we can get done. There's some kids that showed up across to another building, and they wanted to go play with them, so I told them go ahead and try if they'll want to play with you. Anyways, we're moving along.
We are done with the shop, done digging the hole, and we're very hungry, and we're gonna go somewhere to eat.
Are you hungry, Taylor?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
You're very hungry? What do you want to eat?
How about let's eat at Taco Bell.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, it's Sunday.
Taco Bell.
Let's see.
Taco Bell sounds good.
Whataburger.
Whataburger. Yay. We'll see. We're gonna go ahead to eat now.
Yay!
Okay, so we finished cutting, breaking, and digging out the rock in the hole for the shop. The kids got to play. My brother had to go somewhere, so I had to move all the equipment back in creatively, considering my shoulder still hurts. Yeah, my shoulder still hurts. If my wife hears this, and she's gonna be like, it shouldn't hurt anymore, but it does. So we're gonna go ahead and eat our food, because we haven't eaten anything since around 10 o'clock. So we're hungry. Anyways, I told them to go wash their hands. They've been playing in the dirt the whole time, so. All right, let's eat. Alright, well, we just finished eating at Burger King, as you can see, and we left. Looks like we're going to call it a day. My brother wanted us to go back and do some hole digging and stuff, but the boys are exhausted and they're already talking about going to bed, which is odd, because it's like 5 in the afternoon, but that's okay, right? Are you guys tired?
Yes, I'm gonna pass out in the car.
Gonna pass out in the car. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Step closer to getting the shop done, where we can actually do some work and get some projects in there. Other people, if you live in the area, you can come in and bring your projects in there too, and I can help you, or we can do work for other people. I don't know. Honestly, it's just a place to do work, and maybe make a little bit of money to help pay for the place that I do work with there. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see everybody in the next one. Goodbye.